close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello and welcome back to another vlog. We are up in Catskills for the next 2 days. Pretty exciting. You're like so tall that I keep cropping you. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I already built a fire.
Eric already started the fire. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a quick little tour because I'm so obsessed with this location. This is like genius. They have so many different cabins or trailer trucks around, so this is really epic. So I want to do a quick little tour. This is what it looks like when you walk in. It's so cute. Oh my god. This view, you guys, insane. I have a cute little table here with some Origins products and a s'mores kit. The bed looks so comfy as well. And then we have here the kitchen, some cabinet space, hot cocoa in the back, pots and pans. We actually brought a couple of these things. A nice little fridge, trash, and a bathroom. Really cool with a shower. Oh my god. And of course, Eric is already
Well on my way.
he's so excited. This guy is literally getting the tiny. You're so.
You need this.
Oh, I'm so excited. This is like the coolest thing ever, and they have so many different ones. I thought they only had like 1 or 2 of these because they're constantly booked, but oh my god, such a dream. And we're up and rolling.
Yes, ma'am. It's game time.
Eric made some delicious hot dogs.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
It's s'mores time. The cabin actually came with this super cute s'mores kit. We have a fire going on, and Eric is literally somewhere. Do you just not watch scary movies?
I'm ready for it.
we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning from the woods, you guys. Last night was so refreshing and magical. Just being here overall truly feels like a breath of fresh air. I cannot recommend this enough. I'm going to be linking the Airbnb down below. I've been wanting to stay here for a long time now, and every single time it's been booked. I always thought it was just one cabin, but there's actually like 50 around us. Like, as you can tell right there, there's one, and then there's like a couple spread out in the area that they have it. I think this is such a genius idea, and the fact that everything is pretty equipped, like, you know, we have a full kitchen, a full bathroom with warm water. I don't know how they do it, but it just feels like you're in a hotel but camping, so glamping. And yeah, but yeah, today we're just going to relax. I really want to do yoga and meditate here, and we might be going for a hike because there's a really cool path with like a waterfall and stuff. Eric has been making breakfast all morning, so I'm going to go and show you guys what we made, or what he made. Breakfast is ready, made by Eric.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't get over this view. At night it was even cooler because once we got everything like turned off, like once we turned all the lights in here, it just looked like, I don't know, how did it look like?
You could see all the like moonlight coming through. It was pretty cool.
So surreal. And the trees are just so cool, like so tall. Alright, so we are ready to go for a hike. I think we're going to Kaaterskills. Kaaterskills? What is that place called? Kaaterskills? There's a bug in my hand. Not us walking where it says danger. Guys, Eric made us walking sticks. Show yours.
Essential for extreme hiking.
You got me too because they're so flimsy. We've been walking for the past 3 hours for this. Ah, it's so bright, but look how beautiful. Totally worth the hike. We started there. We have our matching sticks. That honestly came in clutch, like going up and down with these. Fire looks so good. Just enjoying our last night in the woods.
Very sad to be leaving.
Eric's loved this lifestyle. He says he wants us to get something like this.
We'll make one, yeah, that'd be sick.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Alright, so I'm finally back home. That was such a nice little getaway. It truly just felt amazing to be surrounded by nature and doing things outdoors and just getting like a little escape from life right now, which is great. I just want to give a huge thank you to Origins for giving us a stay at the Getaway House. It has truly been a dream come true. I've been wanting to stay there for forever. The sun just keeps coming in and out, but I will be linking the Getaway House down below in case you guys are interested. They actually have different cabins like that all around the US in different states, which is really cool. So definitely check it out. It's 100% worth it. I'll also link below the Mega Mushroom Treatment Lotion, which is the reason why we went to the getaway to begin with. I've been using this for almost a month now and my skin has felt so amazing. This video is not sponsored, you guys, but you already know how much I love Origins products, especially this one right here. Eric is also a huge fan of it.
Fire.
Is it?
It's fire. I'm trying to up my toner game lately.
It's Eric approved, which says a lot, but this has so many benefits, which I'll list down below for you guys. It basically just soothes your skin, keeps it really hydrated and just feeling refreshed, which I loved, especially while I was away. And it also helps diminish redness. Another amazing thing is that Origins was actually planting a tree for every bottle sold for the month of April, for Earth Month. But obviously that is over, but they did plant almost 2 million trees, which is insane. But yeah, overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, bye.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.